I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cupcakes at home using your air fryer. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, such as 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 large eggs. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Then, carefully place your silicone or paper cupcake liners into the air fryer basket, making sure they fit without overcrowding. Now let's get to mixing that perfect cupcake batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a larger bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. It's time to bake those delightful treats. Carefully spoon your cupcake batter into each prepared liner, filling them approximately 2/3 full. Avoid overfilling to prevent spillage during baking. Gently place the filled liners into your preheated air fryer basket. Air fry at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. It should come out clean. Once baked, carefully remove the hot cupcakes from the air fryer basket using tongs or a spatula. Transfer them to a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. This step is crucial. Frosting warm cupcakes will cause the frosting to melt. Once fully cooled, unleash your creativity. Decorate your homemade air fryer cupcakes with your favorite frosting, sprinkles, or any other toppings you desire. Enjoy your perfectly baked, delicious treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.